feedback for Aisha on the car accidents essay. Well, I want to just say that first of all, good job getting the format and everything almost right. A couple things you need to do: make sure you don't put your name here. It's just your ID. And you don't need the ID number. You don't need your email. It's small. And this is 097. I think it's 53. And spring 2018. Okay. Good job having the title. And you also need to put your ID on the other side. To do that, just click on Insert, and you click Header. Yeah, I usually click this 3-1 here. I delete the other two. The one on the middle and the left, I delete those. Then over here, you insert your page number on the right side. And I usually just space bar, and then I put in my ID number. And that's how you put in the ID number. So you come back here. So Aisha, I really do need you to write for me your essay. This is supposed to be one body paragraph, and I think we sat down and talked about it because I see example here and teenager, so I think we already talked about this before. So I need your actual essay. And here you're saying the first major accidents can happen to drivers anytime. Here, I think you're giving me kind of an intro here, but then you're giving me some points in here too, so I'm not sure what you're trying to do here. You're giving me bad weather, slippery roads. This is so what needs to go here. You can't have this is more so an outline what you have here. What you need to do is give me actual paragraphs that look more like this. Alright? It shouldn't be just one line each, but you need to come here. You need to, for example, I'll do it here. Tab over, start there and say the main cause of car accidents today is, and what did you say? Speeding. And then you have to type it and write it like you're writing your essay. So the first reason why speeding is the main cause of car accidents is that people can't react as fast. For example, when driving over, let's just say 140 kilometers per hour. People are too fast. Okay, so that's an example. It should be tabbed in. So it's tabbed in, and then I give it my topic sentence. That's what I'm going to say, right? The topic sentence, and then I'm giving my first reason, and I give my first example. So I need you to continue that. You need to continue that and turn these into this. I don't want it to stay like this. So if you're going to say teenagers is another reason why, there's car accidents, then that's fine. But, is that what you're doing? Is this? Is that what's going on? I think it is. Okay. But at the same time, the problem is it needs to follow one idea. So the main cause of car accidents today is speeding. You need to give 3 reasons why speeding is the cause. Right? So you can't give a reason on teenagers and speeding and bad weather because this is one body paragraph. So make those changes and re-upload it. You're doing a good job though.